And as we come on the air tonight, 70 nursing homes and rehab centers in Colorado are the site of active coronavirus outbreaks. Nearly 1,400 staffers and residents have tested positive. We're no better now than we were in the spring.
The circumstances especially dire in northern Colorado. As Denver 7's Lance Hernandez reports, supplies are becoming scarce and exhaustion setting in.
Devonshire Acres has struggled to take care of residents during this latest pandemic peak.
It really has been an incredibly stressful time for everybody involved.
Mike Burnett of the Northeast Colorado Health Department says several residents and staff at Devonshire contracted COVID-19. Some employees are ill, some are in quarantine, which is putting pressure on remaining staff, some working 18-hour shifts 7 days a week.
That just creates an enormous amount of stress on those that are still working. As they struggle to try to find the best way to provide good care for people.
Burnett says Devonshire's team put out calls to other agencies asking for nurses and staff that could help. There were none to spare, so they began looking for places that might accept some of the residents coping with COVID. Their first call for the patients most sick were to Front Range hospitals.
In one instance, it took the facility about 8 hours of looking around to try to find another facility that would accept them.
That facility was in Colorado Springs. Without enough staff, they needed to find other places even for patients who weren't seriously ill. East Morgan County Hospital in Brush and Melissa Memorial Hospital in Holyoke responded, taking a total of 12 patients. Burnett says this situation shows how easily something like this can happen. He has a message for the public.
Especially with the holidays coming up, we just really want to encourage people to try to do the right things. Try to find ways to reduce or eliminate potential exposure risk.
Lance Hernandez, Denver 7.